Good morning, students. Then last day we completed fractions, that is lowest form, equivalent fractions, etc. Then today we can discuss about type of fractions. Then we already study about two type of fractions, like and unlike. What is like fraction? Fractions have same denominator are called like fraction. Example 3 by 10, 7 by 10, 1 by 10. These three are like fractions. 8 by 17, 9 by 17, 5 by 7. This is another set of like fractions. Why? Its denominators are same. Now unlike, its opposite. Then fractions have different denominator are called unlike fractions. 3 by 8, 5 by 7, 8 by 11, 9 by 10. All these have different denominator. Therefore, these fractions are called unlike. This we already discussed. Next fraction is unit fraction. Then unit means if some fractions have a numerator 1. If the numerator of fractions are 1 or more than fractions are there, its numerator is 1, that fraction is called unit fraction. 1 by 7 is a unit fraction, 1 by 100, 1 by 75. If the numerator of a fraction is 1, that is called unit fraction. Numerator means upper part. Okay, next one, proper fraction. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. Such type of fractions are called proper fraction. 2 by 5, 2 is smaller. 9 by 8, 8 is smaller. 7 by 8, 7 is smaller. 100 by 101, 100 is smaller. This type of fractions are called proper fraction. If the numerator of a fraction is smaller than the denominator, that fraction is called proper fraction. Unit fraction and proper fraction. Next, improper fraction. That is just opposite of proper fraction. Proper means numerator is smaller. Improper means numerator is greater than denominator is called improper fraction. If a fraction have a numerator greater than denominator is called improper fraction. 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 9 by 4, 11 by 5, etc. are the examples of improper fraction. Next one is mixed fraction. Then mixed fraction is the combination of the whole part and a proper fraction. That is mixed fraction. Fraction have a whole part and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Example 1 and 1 by 2. I have 1.5 liter of milk, 2 and 3 by 4 liter of kerosene, etc. and 3 and 1 by 3, etc. This type of fractions are called mixed fraction. Why it is called a mixed fraction? Because this is a whole number and this is a proper fraction. The combination of or the mixing of these two. Therefore, it is called a mixed fraction. 2 is the whole number. 3 by 4 is a proper fraction. These two are mixing. Therefore, it is a mixed fraction. Also 3 and 1 by 2. Then how this 1 and 1 by 2 happen? Look here. I have 2 pieces of halwa. First I take the first big piece and cut into 2 smaller pieces. Then first I eat the first piece. Again I take the second also. Now I eat full. Again second halwa I take and cut again into 2 pieces. Why I cut into 2 pieces? Because this is half. Denominator is 2. Therefore I cut into 2 pieces. Then I take the third piece also. Second pieces. First one I take. Now this one is left. Therefore, I take one full and after the second one, I take half. Therefore, 1 and half. 1 full and next one half. Here, 2 and 3 by 4. Then 2 full and another one I cut into 4 pieces. Therefore, first I take and cut into 4 pieces. Then I take a full. Next one also I take, cut into 4 pieces. 1 by 1 I eat. That also finished. Then the third one I take, that also cut into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces are there. First one I take, next one I take, third one. Then I finished by eating. Now 1 is left. How much total I take? 1 halwa, 2 halwa, and out of the third halwa I take only 3 by 4. From 4 piece I eat 3 piece. Okay, here 2 and something, therefore I can take 3. Here 1 and something, therefore I take 2. Here 3 and 1 by 3, that is 3 full piece and 1 more piece cut into 3. Then first one full, second, third. I cut this one into 3. 1 by 1 I take this 3 I take. Then I take the second halwa, I cut into 3 piece, that also I take. Then third halwa I cut, again take 3 piece. Then 3 halwa finished. Then I take a fourth halwa and again cut into 3 piece and I take only 1. 2 pieces are left. Then how much I total take? 3 full and out of the third piece I take 1 by 3. Total 3 pieces I take 1. This is called mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means something full and also some proper fraction. 1 and half, 2 and 3 by 4, 3 and 1 by 3. These are called mixed fraction. Now there is a relation between this mixed and improper. Here 3 by 2. 3 by 2 will not happen. Then what is the meaning of this one? I have 2 piece. Can I take 3? Or I have 3 piece. Can I take 5? Or I have 4 piece. Can I take 9? It is not possible. Therefore, what is the meaning of this one? This one is something related to mixed fraction. Understood? That is, here 3 by 2. Its meaning is, look here, 3 by 2. I am dividing this one. Then 2, 1 is 2 and balance is 1. Therefore, I can write this one as 1 and this remainder now that we can write top. And what is the denominator that I can write here? That is 1 and half. Then here 1 and half I got now. This 1 and half, its meaning is what? 3 by 2. Therefore, 3 by 2 means what? That is not only one piece. ഒരു piece മാത്രമല്ല ഉള്ളത്. 3 by 2 എന്ന് കണ്ടാൽ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും എന്താണ്? Here, within 2 piece ആക്കി. This one also cut into 2 piece. Then first I take 2 piece. Look here, 1, 2, 3 piece. Then cut into 2 pieces and I take 3. Therefore, we can change this improper into mixed. 1, 3 divided by 2, 1, 2 times 2, 1. Therefore, 1 and 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Again, next one, 5 by 3. What is this meaning 5 by 3? 5 by 3. 3, 1 is 3, balance is 2. So, what is its meaning? 1 and numerator is 2, denominator is 3. 1 and 2 by 3. This is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction I change into improper fraction I change into mixed fraction. Then can I change this mixed into improper? Improper ne mixed ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ mixed ne ഉറപ്പായിട്ട് improper ആക്കാൻ പറ്റും. How? We can multiply 1 into 3. 3. ഇത് നമ്മൾ ഇൻറ്റു ചെയ്യുക. All part and denominator multiply. 1 into 3. Then you can add the numerator divided by the same denominator 3. 1 into 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. But you got 5 by 3. Then we can convert improper into mixed by division. Then the quotient we can write the all part and the remainder we can write it as the numerator and denominator same. Same way we can convert this mixed fraction into improper. How? 1 and 3 multiply 1 into 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 3. Understood? Therefore, this improper and mixed have a relation. We can convert mixed into improper and improper into mixed. Next one, 9 by 4. This is an improper fraction because numerator is big. We can convert 9 by 4. 4 how many times in 9? 2. 4 2s are 8. Balance 1. Therefore, we can write quotient as 2 all part 1 and 4. Is it correct? 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Next, then 15 by 4. How can we convert? 50 by 4. 4 3s are 12, remainder 3. Therefore, we can write it as 3. Numerator is also 3. Denominator is 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Okay, students. Now, another one. 2 and 4 by 5. Which type of fraction is this one? Mixed fraction. Then, can you convert into improper? Yes, that is 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is all part and denominator multiply. That result you can add with the numerator, and denominator have no change. 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, 14 by 5. Then this is the way of converting improper into mixed, mixed into improper. 3 number is there, therefore multiply and add. 2 number is there, divide and write the quotient as all part, numerator as the remainder, and denominator same. Okay. Thank you, children.